Welcome to 90-Second Math. Today we're going to be talking about the point-slope form of a line. The point-slope form of the line is written as y minus y naught equals m, which is our slope, times the quantity of x minus x naught, where this y naught and this x naught form a point that's on the line. Okay? This is incredibly useful when we're trying to find the equation of a line from 2 points, or from the slope and a point on the line, or when trying to figure out the equation of the line from a table. Alright, here are two examples. First, find the equation of a line that goes through the points 1, 2, and 2, 4. So first we're going to find the slope, which is y minus y naught over x minus x naught. So let's do 4 minus 2 over 2 minus 1. It doesn't matter which goes first, so long as you're consistent. So 4 minus 2 is 2 over 1, which is 2. And our points, I'm going to pick this point. So y minus this 2 from this point is equal to 2 times x minus 1. And that's it. All right, find the equation of a line that has a slope of 2 and goes through the point 3, negative 4. So we know our equation y minus y naught equals m x minus x naught. This is our x naught, this is our y naught, and this is our m. So we just plug it in. Y minus 4 equals 2x minus 3. Now we simplify. Y plus 4 equals 2x minus 3.